Welcome to the Arch Standards Getting Started series. In this second video, we navigate through the standards to explore the benefits of using standards maps and other tools. In my dashboard under Standards, I see the standard sets I have favored. I can click the 7th grade to view the standards. However, I need to expand the entire set to locate a specific standard. Under Earth Systems, I want to focus on the Earth Space Science Standard addressing weather, Standard 2-5. I can see the standard in its explicit unwrapped content, skills with the OK, learning targets with the OK, big ideas, and essential questions. When I click on a learning target, big idea, or essential question, a Google search is conducted. I want to find resources specific to this essential question. In what ways do the motion of air masses impact weather changes? Following copyright guidelines, I can find images that I can embed in my daily lesson plans, curriculum activities, or even rubric or test items I'm creating specific to the essential question. I can also embed or add links to Vimeo or YouTube videos in the same Arch resources I just mentioned. I just need to obtain the shared link and copy it and add it to the desired resource. Going back to the weather standard, I can add implicit unwrapped content by clicking the Edit Unwrapping option. Or I can begin creating an instructional activity containing the unwrapped content of this weather standard. Going back to the 7th grade science standards, I can select the shared option and copy the link to the standard set. I can add the link to any of my resources like lesson plans or curriculum activities to provide one-click access to the standards to myself or to my students. By selecting the Make Rubric option, I can create draft proficiency scales for the entire standard set in the form of a rubric. With further editing, one or more scales can be imported for assessing student coursework or portfolios. Finally, clicking the Table option provides a searchable table beneficial in locating standards containing specific vocabulary across the entire standard set. In the next video, we focus on the process of unwrapping standards to add implicit content and skills, and expanding the big ideas and essential questions.